Hey, what's going on, guys? My name's Eric. Today we're going to go ahead and talk about how I use Todoist to keep my life organized. It's one of my favorite productivity apps, and so let's get into it, see how I set it up. If we look over here, I've already got it loaded up. One of my favorite things about it is our inbox. This is your mind dump. Anything goes here. So I can literally open up my app. I can add a task. So it could be something simple like mow the grass. I can schedule a time. Let's say I want it done on the 2nd. Stays in my inbox if I don't know exactly where it's going or I don't have time to sort it out right now. But I can also move it to a project if I choose to. I can add a description. All right, so over here, I have my projects set up and they're broken down into a couple things. I have a shopping list that I've created as a project, and I separated it based on a Kanban style. So I have these cards and I can just add stores to it, and I can literally sort wherever I need to get the items. So I got dryer sheets the other day, cat food. So whenever I'm doing my next purchase, I can go ahead and just see everything that's on there. I can invite people to my list. Okay, so that if I want to share it with a family member or a spouse, I can do that. They have access, and you'll see whenever they check off on it and vice versa. And I can move these around to whatever I prefer. All right. I've got my personal, my professional, and my work, and each of these are broken down into little layouts. Each one of those can be broken down into smaller subtasks. I've got filters and labels. I've got upcoming tasks. I've got anything that's scheduled for today. Priorities, one of my favorite things, I use the Eisenhower matrix method. All right, so priority 1 is going to be both important and urgent tasks. So urgent is time sensitive, and then important is things that are going to be impactful. So if they're both important and urgent, I mark it priority 1. That's something I set up and I do. Priority 2 is going to be important but not urgent. Okay, important but not urgent means it's not time sensitive, but it does affect or has a major impact. All right, those are going to be ones I schedule for a later date or time. Priority 3 are urgent. So they're time sensitive, but they're not important. These are ones I can delegate. Priority 4 is neither important nor urgent. Those often you want to delete. How I would use labels if I was using this as a project manager, I could assign names using a label. Another way you can use them are going to be this week, this year, 6 months. You could assign where it needs to be completed at. I can add comments. When you click on comments, you can also add voice memos. You can do your emojis, or you can attach a file, which is really cool. Definitely something to look into. It's worthwhile. I have a lot of fun with it, and it's helped me be more productive. It uses real time language to schedule things, and it automatically auto-populates. Okay, or I can say on next Monday. You can even do repeatable tasks every Monday so that it repeats and recycles. So something to keep in mind whenever you're doing that. And that is not a paid feature. That is available to anyone. So if you have any questions about how to use Todoist to manage your tasks, leave it in the comments. If you got some value out of this, go ahead, like, subscribe. Helps out the channel a lot. And I look forward to hearing from you guys.